How to unblock people on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to unblock people on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now to unblock someone that you no longer want to block, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and further, tap on the gear-like icon you see on the top right of your screen. You will be led to Snapchat settings. In here, go ahead and scroll down and find the Privacy Controls tab, and under Privacy Controls, tap on the Blocked Users option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the users that you have blocked. So go ahead and tap on the cross symbol you see beside the user you want to block. You will receive a confirmation pop-up asking if you are sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter. So if you are sure of unblocking them, then tap on the yes button, and with this, the individual will be unblocked. You can then go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for their name and add them as friends again. So this is how you can unblock people on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.